I don't know what I'm doing. You're going round in circles. Ah! Shit! Fuck me! Fuck me! Ha! Shit! What the fuck?
I'm telling you, dude, we gotta do something fresh, something new, something the kids have never heard before. Think outside the box. Anything, absolutely anything. Yo, I've got it. All right. Yo, hear me out. 10 phalanges on the master. No. And yes. OT. You see, the sausage fattener, it isn't just a plugin, it's a fucking lifestyle. The day you accept the sausage is the day your life fucking changes, and so does your tracks. Fatness, color. Actually, the other two are just there kind of for aesthetics. They don't really do much, cause you know, us producers are always getting shit for things with just one feature. You know, we sensitive, we out here, we sensitive. So how does one fatten a sausage? It's not rocket science, just crank it. No, not that one. The other one. There we go. Yeah, boy. I can take a track that sounds amazing and turn it into a track that sounds like a fucking anthem. Yo, fuck all your other plugins. This is the only plugin you'll ever need. All in one. Can it compress? Yes. Can it reverb?
I don't know.
Yes. Oh my god, are you still in negative RMS values? Weak! Positive values will get you your results. You'll be headlining, redlining everything, bitch.
What the fuck was that damage, my guy? Oh!